We'll guide you through how to download and install Java for Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may be trying to do something like installing Optifine, which is an optimization tool for Minecraft, or maybe go and run a Minecraft server. Doing things like that go and require Java to be installed, and there's different variants we can go and get as well. So make sure it's this full video so you have a full understanding of what you need to do. So just go and quit Minecraft, or if you're trying to do some sort of other installation, go and stop it for now. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. Now just before we get any further, a big shout out to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. They should be your go-to place for a Minecraft server. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So check them out, they'll be linked down below. They've got so many awesome features and benefits, like one-click install mod packs, making it super easy to play with them with friends, DDoS protection, keeping your server safe, 24/7 servers and support so you can get the help anytime you need it, as well as other awesome features as well. So if you're interested, I'll go and link them down below. So to go and continue, let's come to Google, and what you can do is search for Java. You can go straight to java.com as well. So, as I said, there are different versions. So first of all, we'll just go and get the standard version of Java for desktop applications. Click on download Java. You'll get taken to this page here. Click on download Java again, and it will go and download. When it's finished, open up your file explorer, click on downloads to the left, and here it is. Double click on it, and you can then go and run it. You'll go and get this pop-up here. Make sure you agree, and then go and click on install, and it will go and start the process. It shouldn't take too long, go and wait. As I said, there is another variant of Java we can go and get in a moment as well, so just keep waiting. Now that you've installed it, let's say previously you've been trying to install Optifine, which is an optimization tool, or Forge, which is a mod loader. Come back to the jar file, right click on it, hover over open with, and click on choose another app. Select Java and then select always, and then it should go and run. If it doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which we've got a video on, which will relink the files. The other version of Java you can download is JDK, which is Java SE Development Kit. You can find that on the Java site at the bottom here. Scroll down, we can get the most recent one, and you can select Windows, and we can then find the installer, come over to the right, and click on it to go and download it. Open up your file explorer when it's finished, and come to your downloads, and here it is. You can then double click on it, and we can go and start installing it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up. So we can then go through the steps, click on next, choose where it's installed and click on next, and now go and wait. Just like that, it's been successfully installed, so you can press close. So I found that JDK was needed when I was trying to go and run and set up a Minecraft server. So if you were trying to do that, go and use it. Hopefully now it will go and work. So that's it guys. I hope you found this useful and it solved your problem. If it has, please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more useful guides like this on the channel and more to come. If you're experiencing a certain problem, put a comment down below and we can go and look into it and see if there's a video to be made on it. I look forward to catch you in the next one. Have an awesome day.